Good afternoon, guys. This is Miss Coltrane, and I wanted to help you with getting registered for the concurrent or dual credit through NNU. And so I'm going to send you the information as well as provide this recording to hopefully help you. So you'll need to click on the link that's provided in the letter, and that'll take you, and you'll click on Register Now. And then it'll have a message, and then you'll click Register Now again, and that'll bring you to this registration form. And the first part of this is all just basic stuff. The only concern we had can't come up was if you weren't born in the U.S. or Canada or one of the territories, you might have to put a particular state, but then put under birthplace city here. Go ahead and put the city and the country that you were born in if you were born outside of the U.S. or Canada. And then, of course, come down, put in gender and stuff. But then the Social Security, it looks like it's required, but it is optional. Now, it does make it easier for them to make sure that they get your particular transcripts, especially if you have a fairly common name. So it is a good idea, but it's your choice. And then demographic information. Idaho resident, U.S. citizen, that sort of thing. And if you've taken concurrent credit courses at NNU before, because they want to make sure that they put it all on one transcript. When do you expect to graduate high school? And then the school lookup here. If you click on this first one and click on Idaho, and then you'll click here, and it'll have a list that comes up, and you'll click Idaho Technical Career Academy. And once you click on it, it should autofill these next three boxes down here, so you won't have to type in the CEEB code for the school. And then your mailing address, parent and guardian information, and then the course registration. So here's what you should have for taking and signing up for the anatomy and physiology. They call it human biology and lab. The course department and number is the biology 1060, 1060L for the lab. 4 credits, 3 for the class, 1 for the lab, and then, of course, my name. So they put you in mine so I can actually give you a grade. Then down below here, the payment information. As long as there's no reason that you can't use fast forward funds, you want to click on fast forward funds. And then down here under parents and guardians, can they have access to your academic record? So for somebody who's not 18 or older, I'm not positive, but I believe it needs to be yes. But if you're 18 or older, then you can make that choice for yourself, and then you'll click submit. So it shouldn't take more than 15 or 20 minutes.